stop scrolling. Let me show you a gift that you can give to anyone.